this? Because, okay, frankly speaking, I hear that a lot as well. And there are a lot of comments coming up regarding this jets flying around. Okay, from Lo Hui-ying, one of the 10 over comments that I saw. The noise pollution from the planes is an urgent issue that has really affected those working from home for the past 2 months. Okay, how can we actually work to improve this situation?
Well, this one, let me take this question because I was in the Air Force before too.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because of the limited airspace, we have always sought the indulgence of residents in Singapore when the Air Force actually fly to do our air defense requirements. In this COVID period, exactly that's why you said, right, the last 2 months, because many of the overseas training areas are close to the Air Force, they could not deploy to Thailand, Australia, and other places for the training. So maybe the flying frequency has gone up a bit. We'll see what we can feed back to the Air Force as well to balance the residents' needs for some quiet moments for business in the day and where the kids are at home, see how to manage that. But in the longer term, the Air Force has plans to move out of Paya Lebar to Tengah and to Changi Air Base. That means they will free up Paya Lebar Airport eventually for other developments. Hopefully by then, as we reduce the footprint of the Air Force in the central part of Singapore, your feedback will be dealt with decisively. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ng. Okay, coming back to jobs. Okay, we have a lot of questions coming to the welfare, to many types of questions, but we want to come back to jobs because we know that there will be a virtual job fair at Sengkang Sports Complex Atrium. Okay, coming up on the 11th and 12th July. Who can actually give us more info on this and what are we actually looking forward to in this virtual job fair?
You want to take it, Timin?
Dr. Lam?
Yes,